So this will be a freeze durability test between the brand new Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra versus the iPhone 15 Pro Max. Now let's go ahead and check out both phones real quick. Here's the new S24 Ultra. Now this is a Samsung.com only colorway. I got the blue one. It comes in this icy blue. Looks very nice. Flat sides here with the matte finish on the titanium, and along with the camera modules here, the dark finish on the lens. Looks very nice. I love the frosted glass in the back. Loving it. Versus, of course, the iPhone 15 Pro Max, here also in its blue colorway, camera modules, etc. Also has matte titanium build here, so you can see. Also very nice to hold. Beautiful display. Very nice. All right, so this will just be a straightforward test. Just want to see if these phones can handle extremely cold temperatures. And honestly, I think they will. Disclaimer, this video is only for experimental and entertainment purposes only. Please do not do this to your phone. You just spent $1,300 on an S24 Ultra. Do not put your phone in the freezer. I'm doing it so you don't have to. And same thing with the iPhone 15. Don't put your iPhone in the freezer, all right? Cool. So the liquid we're gonna use will be some Sprite. Very nice 2-liter container here of Sprite. Yeah, let's do this. Love all that carbonation. Very nice. All right, let's go ahead and flip the phones over here. Turn on the displays, just cause. And there you go. S24 Ultra, iPhone 15 Pro Max. And let's take a look at the battery level. Right now, the S24 Ultra is at, what does that say, 35%. And then the iPhone is at 40%. So okay, so let's keep an eye on those battery levels tomorrow, see if they, decrease significantly. All right, let's go ahead and pour. Starting first with the S24. Right into the messages. And it's going crazy. Wow, look at that. And then immediately to the iPhone also. Now is the iPhone's display gonna react the same way as the S24 did? Didn't do anything, that's interesting. So the S24 responded to the liquid, to the Sprite. I don't think the iPhone did. Interesting. All right. So the S24 is going crazy here. Let's see, what is it doing? It's text shortcuts. All right, go ahead and clear that. And then the iPhone, there we go, it responded. Go ahead and clear that. Put it back in. Sweet. Now let's just make sure that the levels here are pretty much even. And they look pretty even to me. Yeah, they look pretty good. Cool beans. So I'm gonna go ahead and put the lid on. This one's the iPhone. This one is the S24. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and go to the ice box. Got a space right there. And let's go. This one is the iPhone. Oh boy. Into the ice box they go. There's the iPhone. Next up, S24 Ultra. There you go. in the icebox. So now, let's see, I'm gonna grab this is my S23 Ultra from last year. I'm gonna go ahead and fire up the clock, or the stopwatch rather, and just start that up. All right, cool. So there goes that. There goes the two phones in their new home for the next 10, 12 hours or so in the icebox. Close it up, and there you go. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and leave the phones in there for about, I don't know, 10 hours, 12 hours. I'll see you tomorrow. And I am back. So you can see it's about 10 hours later, almost 11 hours. It is the following day here. It's bright out, etc. So you can see, beautiful day outside. So yeah, let's, get these phones out of the icebox and we'll see. Oh boy. Wow. See, I forgot which one's which. I think this one's the iPhone. That one on the left is the S24. And maybe I'll have that mirror calendars after the video, but yeah, so let's just get the phones out and we'll have a look to see how they are holding up. Wow, rock solid ice cubes. Close up the ice box, and then let's go over to the sink right here. All right, so let's just see what we're dealing with. I'm gonna go ahead and open this up, and I think that's the iPhone, right? Oh man, this is super cold. Oh, frigid. And there you go. Let's see now. Can I tell which one? Yeah, that's the iPhone right there, so you can see. Oh boy. And S24. Yup. Actually looks pretty cool. Whew, that's super cold. All right, let's go ahead and just kind of do that. Man, that is hella cold. Hand's gonna get frozen. All right, what are we dealing with? S24, iPhone 15 Pro Max. And look at that, it's stuck to the sink. All right, got a couple of ice cubes there. Very nice. We'll go ahead and run the hot tap water. Give it a little spray. Get the phones out. Look at that water beading on the phones. Love it. Look at that. Look at those beautiful beads on the iPhone. Same thing with the S24 Ultra. Beautiful. Can I get it out? I can get the S24 out. But what about the iPhone? I think iPhone needs a little bit more. So we'll go ahead and just do that. All right. And it's still stuck. Look at that. Let's see, may have to do it this way. Is that good enough? Or no? Looks like the iPhone needs a little bit extra work. No worries, we'll just go ahead and do this. Melt all the ice out. And here we go. All right, now, here's the iPhone. Let's take a look at the camera lens real quick. I'm gonna give the phone a little bit of a shake. We'll take a look at the camera lens. And I'm not seeing any condensation. Actually, I'm gonna look at this off camera. Let's see, what is that? Oh, that's just a little debris outside of the lens. And yeah, I'm not seeing anything. So yeah, the IP68 water and dust resistance is kicking in. And yeah, that looks pretty good to me. There's the speaker ports and the USB Type-C. Thank goodness they added that to the iPhone now. I mean, yeah, this phone looks pretty good. We'll take a look at the display. And let's see, let me just go off camera real fast. And yeah, I'm not seeing any condensation like under the display. So again, that IP68 rating is kicking in. Very nice. All right, now moment of truth. Will this phone turn on? And remember, I think the battery percentage was 40%, I think it was last night. So let's go ahead and turn this on and we'll have a look. Oh, what happened here? Oh, it's booting up. So the phone turned off, it looks like, in the fridge. Interesting. But hey, so at least it's booting up. The screen works. So we'll see what happened there. I don't think I turned the phone off. Oh, so no battery, 10%. Oh, okay. So before the battery runs out, I'm gonna have to be fast with the testing here. Okay. But yeah, I mean, the phone seems to be working. Look at that. All right, screen works. I'm not seeing any, let me see here. Yeah, other than the low battery, which is interesting. I don't think it's ever done that before. I'm not seeing any like spotting underneath the display, etc. I mean, let me see. Let me give this a quick wipe. Yeah, this looks pretty good. We'll test out the speakers in a little bit. All right, now, the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. Check out the water beading again. Love that. We'll take a look at the camera modules. And let me just see here. Get a closer look. Yeah, that looks pretty good. I'm not seeing any like condensation or any water underneath the glass. So again, the IP68 is kicking in, protecting the phone from the elements. Very nice. So let's go ahead and flip the phone over. Let's take a look here if I can get to focus on the punch out camera. Let me see. Let me go here. Yeah, I'm not seeing anything that's underneath the glass. That looks pretty good. Yeah, on past versions, I have seen water condensate like underneath the hole punch cutout on previous S series phones, but it's not doing that on this one. So again, IP68 kicking in. Very nice. Let's see. Yeah, I mean, this display looks pretty good. Let's take a look at the ports. Yeah, I'm not seeing anything out of the ordinary. Yeah, man, this looks good. All right, so now, moment of truth. Let's go ahead and turn this phone on and see what happens. Will it be low battery like the iPhone? I don't know, but let's find out. And look at that, turns on right on first press. What is the battery percentage? 32%. Wow. So I think last night the battery percentage was at 35% for this phone. So considering this phone was just in the freezer overnight, 0-degree temps, etc., only lost 3%, whereas the iPhone, for some reason, went from 40% to 10%. So I'm gonna have to give the battery durability under extreme cold conditions. The win goes to the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra in that regard. Very nice. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and test the display. And yeah, the brightness seems to be good. Not too bad. The scrolling is seems to be working. I'm gonna go over here, I'm gonna open the calculator. Yeah, the button seems to, work. Let's see here, the Amazon shopping. So you can see the white background, and I'm not really seeing anything out of the ordinary. No spotting underneath the display or anything. It's still super smooth with a 120 Hertz. Very nice. So far, the S24 is a pass so far. We'll go ahead and do a real quick video test on the iPhone. Let's see here. I'm gonna go, what was that? That was my kitty. As you can see, that was my other kitty, not her. Where'd she go? Huh. Anyway, just my kitty in the background. So let's go ahead and we'll do a video here. Make sure that this is in landscape mode. Go ahead and do a quick test video right now. All right, this is a sample video from the iPhone 15 Pro Max straight from the freezer. Let me know if the quality and also the audio quality of this. Here's the half zoom. Here's the 1x, 2x, and 5x zoom. Let me know how that looks. Back to the 1. Peace out. Okay, there goes the sample video from the iPhone. Okay, sweet. Can put that down. Now back to the S24. Let me see, I'm gonna go ahead and fire up the camera here. Okay. Video. It's in 4K 30. Where's the iPhone? There it is. I'm gonna start. Okay, this is a sample video from the S24 Ultra, fresh out of the freezer. So here it is in the 1X. I'm gonna go to the 0.6. So have a look at that, right? Back to the 1, back to the 3X. Take a look at that. The 5X zoom, right into the lens of the iPhone, and then 10X zoom. Let me know of the video quality and also the audio quality. Again, this is fresh out the freezer. Peace out. There you go. I'm gonna turn that off. So let me know in the comments. Obviously, I won't know what the quality is until after I get the video out and on the computer from each phone. But let me know in the comments, you know, how that sounds. And one more thing, specifically on the S24 Ultra, it does have the S Pen. So I'm gonna go ahead and take that out and see the functionality of the S Pen, see if it works. So I'm gonna get it out. As you can see, here's the S Pen, right? If I can get the focus. Let's see, focus. There it is. Again, let's see, put it over here. There we go. There it is. S Pen looks pretty good, right? So let's go ahead and just see if it works. Let's see. There it is. Swiping around with the S Pen. Here's the little menu for the S Pen. Create a note, as you can see. Okay, some stuff there. But yeah, I mean, this works. Click OK on that. Do this again. Let's see, screen write. It's gonna take a screenshot, right? And then you can write whatever, as you can see. So yeah, I'm gonna say the S Pen still works. Fresh out the freezer. Again, this is also IP rated, right? So that's good to know if your phone was ever in that situation. Excellent. So this is a real quick freeze durability test between the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra and the iPhone 15 Pro Max. Again, do not try this at home. This is for entertainment and experimental purposes only. All right, so let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. Thanks for watching. Peace out. Okay, this is a sample video from the S24 Ultra, fresh out of the freezer. So here it is in the 1X. I'm gonna go to the 0.6. So have a look at that, right? Back to the 1, back to the 3X. Take a look at that. The 5X zoom, right into the lens of the iPhone, and then 10X zoom. Let me know of the video quality and also the audio quality. Again, this is fresh out the freezer. Peace out. Alright, this is a sample video from the iPhone Pro Max, straight from the freezer. Let me know of the quality and also the audio quality. This is the half zoom. There's 1X, 2X, and 5X.